Well, it's going to be nice working out of this house now. How much nicer it is to get around underneath this house. Wow.
Yeah, tomorrow will be clean out.
Is that where the sump pump is too?
No, the salt pump's over there
We're in the back?
in the corner. Yeah, that's the level.
Oh, okay.
Is too slow over there.
Oh, okay. Huh. Let's go back and look at that. Oh man, y'all are caulking all the little holes, aren't you? I'm about midway down to the back. Oh, they are sealing all the cracks. Yeah, that's great. Oh, this is where the sump pump's going to go in tomorrow. There's all the pieces. And this is the back of the house. And everything's wrapped nice and neat. Hardly any humidity under here at all now, like it was. Holy cow, lights! How about that? All kinds of light under here. Wow. This is all the way over to the other side. Everything is very well plasticed off. This is the dehumidifier. That's where it dumps in and heads over to the outside of the house. Y'all have any trouble getting this thing under the house? Fit pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, that's great.
You see the switch in there?
No, where?
Right there. You got one switch.
Oh, right there, okay. Oh, I see you come under the house to take care of it. And it's got the moisture thing under here too. Okay. Oh, I see, water alarm, yeah. And the switches for the dehumidifier or the
No, the switches for the alarm. Sometimes if the pump is not working, so and the water will go up, so you can hear the noise in there.
Oh, okay.
I
am just really impressed with y'all's work. Y'all have done a great job. Okay, I'm gonna get out of your all's hair again.